Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you find that Google Chrome browser seems to have a lot of updates, well, you're going to see more of them as Google has announced that the Chrome browser will now have 2 security updates every week. And the reason for this is simple, is because of AI. The number of security flaws that are discovered are higher. And you don't want to have one big update that is huge to install and maybe too long to install and cause also issues. So when they will have a certain number of security flaws, they will push them. And another day in the week, they'll push a second update for security. And this is going to be the new normal. 2 updates a week to get Google Chrome up to date, and that will impact the Chromium browsers also. I don't know if Chromium browsers will still wait once a week, or will the Chromium browsers decide to update twice a week, like Chrome, to follow the same steps and make sure that things go right. So this is going to be interesting to see. Made me think of Microsoft with Windows Update. I can't wait to see how many security flaws will be fixed this month of August. But one of the things that's interesting is that I was kind of thinking, wow, could Microsoft start, doing faster updates, saying like smaller updates, but having an update every 2 weeks or every week? That would be kind of an interesting idea. At the same time, I know that a lot of people would prefer having just one update a month. So we'll see what goes with that. But for Google Chrome, indeed, starting now, we're going to see 2 updates a week for security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.